Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about your studying routine. Let's dive into today's video. Everybody trying to learn different things in their life and they are doing their best to learn new things in their life. You have to have studying routine to learn new things in your life. If you want to improve yourself, you gotta have some studying routine in your life and you have to do this regularly. If you want to learn new things in your life, you have to studying every single day and you have to do this regularly. You have to make it a routine to be able to success whatever you like to learn in your life. You have to have studying routine in your life to improve yourself. Studying regularly is really important, guys. It will definitely change your life in a good way. Whatever you want to learn in your life, if you have a study routine, if you do this regularly, you are going to learn a lot of different things in your life. All you have to do is just make yourself a great studying routine. All you have to do is focus on your plan and studying every single day. It will definitely help you to improve yourself in such a great ways. Whatever you want to learn in your life, you can definitely do it by having a studying routine in your life. Studying regularly, it will definitely help you to improve yourself. If you want to learn a new language, you should definitely have a study routine, and this way you will learn a new language. All you have to do is making your studying regularly, and it's going to give you a lot of new things in your life. You are going to improve yourself in a good way. You are going to learn a lot of new information in your life. Studying routine will definitely change your life in a great ways. When I was a student at the university, I wanted to learn English language, and then I decided to have a study routine every single day, and everything changed in my life after that moment. You should do that also. It is going to give you a lot of benefits. You are going to change your life in a great ways. I wanted to learn English language when I was a student at the university, and then I decided to study English language every single day, and after that moment my studying routine became a habit for me. It was like I was having some habit in my life, and it really changed my life in a good way. I learned a lot of new information about English language. I was studying English language 1 hour regularly. Every single day I was trying to study English language, and after that moment I was started to learn a lot of new things about English language. I was learning new English words. I was expanding my English vocabulary. After I expand my vocabulary, I was started to speak with the native speakers, and it became really easy for me to speak with them when I was making my English practicing with them. It was really helping me to making my English practicing with the native speakers. My studying routine gave me a lot of benefits, and I was learning a lot of great information about English language. First time when I was studying English, it was really hard for me to study this language, but every day I was learning new English words. I was learning new English phrases. I was learning a lot of great information about English language, and when I do this regularly, it became really easy for me when I was studying English. It is going to happen to you also. All you have to do is do your studying routine regularly, and it is going to help you in a great ways. Trust me, guys, it is going to change your life in a great ways. All you have to do is just try to studying every single day. You might want to learn a new language. You might want to learn different things. You have to have a study routine in your life, and after that your life is going to change in a good way. You are going to improve yourself in a great ways. This studying routine will definitely help you to improve yourself in such a great ways. Everybody has a different lifestyle. Everybody wants to learn different things in their life. Whatever you want to learn, you have to have study routine in your life. You have to do this consistently. You have to do this regularly, and it is going to change your life in a good way. When I was learning English language, it was really hard for me to pronounce the English words correctly. And after that, I decided to have listening studying in my life. And after I started to make my listening studying regularly, my pronunciation get better, and I was started to pronounce the English words correctly. And when I was making my English practicing with the native speakers, I started to pronounce the English words correctly. It really helped me a lot, and it is going to help you also. All you have to do is having a study routine in your life. It will definitely change your life in a good way. I was started to listening to the English videos every single day. I was using YouTube as my resources, because in YouTube there are a lot of great English videos. There are a lot of native speakers who has YouTube channels, and I was started to follow them. And after that moment, every single day, at least 1 hour, 2 hours, I was listening to their videos, and that really helped me to improve my pronunciation in English language. And after that moment, I was speaking English language with the native speakers easily. I was pronounced the English words correctly just because I was having a regular studying routine in my life. Studying routine is really changed my life in a good way. Just because I have a study routine regularly, I learned English language, and I am still having studying routine in my life. I am still studying English language every single day. Even if my day is so busy, I am trying to study English language at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes every single day. And this is really helping me to learn English language. This is really helping me to stay with the English language all the time. So it's been like 12 years I've been studying English language. Even now, I have a study routine in my life just because I don't want to forget anything about English language. You should also do that. Even though you learned English language, you have to keep going on your studying routine, and it is going to help you in a great ways. You have to stay with English language every single day. You have to make your practicing with the native speakers every single day. You have to do this regularly, and it will really help you to not forget about English language. This is the same for any other things. For anything you want to learn in your life, you have to have studying routine, and you have to make your studying routine regularly. You have to do this every single day. You have to stay consistent about it, and then you are going to learn a lot of different things in your life. It is going to change your life in a good way. All you gotta do is having a study routine regularly in your life. Whatever you want to learn in your life, whatever you want to improve yourself, you have to have studying routine in your life, and you are going to learn whatever you want to learn in your life. You will definitely improve yourself in such a great ways. This will definitely change your life. You gotta trust yourself. You have to believe in yourself, and you have to have studying routine in your life. I hope you can improve yourself in your life. I wish you guys best of luck. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will definitely help me to grow my channel. I'll see you guys in my another videos. Take care of yourself, everybody.